Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to upload the Firefox browser into your computer. And so just follow me the way. You're going to open a browser, any Google Chrome, Explorer, doesn't matter, and you're going to type in on the browser bar, you're going to type in Firefox. And then you're going to download Firefox. Click on it. Go ahead and download now. Click there. And then you're going to type your username. I'm going to do okay. And then I am going to say okay. Sign up now. And it's going to download. And down here it says, what do you want to do with Firefox Installer? You're going to say save, and it's running. So you're just going to let it run for a little bit, and then you're going to run. And it's installing right now. It should say a window, now installing. And you just let it do its thing. Again, it takes a little bit of time, but once that green bar is done, then you'll know it's completely downloaded. And now it opens up your Firefox. That would be the browser. How do you know it's the browser? Because it says over here it has that little fox around it, surrounding the earth. That's your Firefox browser. So now you can go ahead and use this for your STAR Early Literacy Spanish tests for those teachers that are doing STAR Early Literacy and Spanish, which are just the bilingual classes, not the regular classes. And so I'm going to go ahead and say skip step, and now you're done. You have a new browser.